my home, being super nanny and all other roles, I suddenly realise I'm absolutely knackered. Think it's time to just slightly readjust and set some goals for not burning out, as I think that could be happening. I adore my babies and their babies, but I've never worked so hard.
Absolutely. So one of the surprising things about becoming a grandparent is that you can be thrown back to all those difficult choices that you made when you were juggling your young family and a career. You think they're behind you, but as a matter of fact, if you're committed to a career, if you've put a lot into your professional development, you can be very protective of your child. Seeing her as a mother, and you think, in order to protect my feminist legacy, I've got to take on those caring roles.
JA07BOZ.